Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this is a place where you can learn 사자성어 or 4-character phrases. You can check out my previous video to understand what it is. The phrase we are going to learn today is 개과천선. It consists of 4 characters. Let me break them down one by one. 개 means to fix or improve. 과 means a flaw or fault. 천 means to shift. 선 means good. So all combined, 개과천선 describes a change, a dramatic change where an evil person becomes a good person. The shift we are talking about here should be kind of big. You don't say 개과천선 when one of your friends quit smoking. It has to be more remarkable than that. For example, let's say someone has a gambling problem. It almost destroyed everything. His family, his job, and he has had it for so long that it's impossible to imagine that he lives without it. Then suddenly, he decides to quit it and never ever revert back to the problem. Now he is a completely different person. In that case, you could use 개과천선. The issue doesn't have to be as serious as gambling. Basically, you can use the phrase for anything morally wrong. A person with alcoholism, a person who lies all the time, a person who has a violent streak, and so on. And this phrase operates as a verb in a sentence combined with 하다, which means do in English. Let's look at an example. 너 작년에는 맨날 술 마시고 학교 수업도 안 나오더니 개과천선했구나. 내가 좀 그랬었지. 반성하고 있어. Just so you know, the examples I give you are going to be something that's likely to happen in daily life. I'll try to make it sound as natural as I can. If you feel like you need more example sentences to help you build your understanding of the phrase, tell me. I will come up with a couple more. So that was it for today. If you have any questions about the phrase we learned or Korean language in general, let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.